Today in our 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, we'll be having a look at our best hitch options.
Okay, we have three options here today for you. They're all Class 3s. On the top, we have a Draw-Tite, part number 75699. In the middle, a Curt with a tubular design, part number C13182. And on the bottom, another Curt with a square rectangular design, part number C13065. All right, the biggest difference that we found, our Draw-Tite and our square tube Curt here, they are both completely hidden underneath the fascia of our vehicle. The only part you'll see sticking out, the actual Class 3s receivers themselves with our safety chain loops. Whereas on our Curt hitch here in the middle with the tubular design, a good section of the frame is visible underneath the fascia. The next biggest difference that we have as our safety chain loops go, both our Draw-Tite here and our Curt here at the bottom have a round tubular steel designed for safety chain loops, whereas our Curt hitch in the middle has an angular plate steel design that's welded at the bottom. Now, that may pose a little bit of an issue with some larger diameter safety chains. They may have difficulty fitting through this small hole, whereas on our other two, you can clip in from the back side, the side, or the front. The next biggest difference that we found comes with weight capacities. Both our Draw-Tite at the top and the Curt at the bottom, they both have a 500-pound max gross tongue weight rating and a 5,000-pound max gross trailer weight rating. They both support weight distribution with a max gross tongue weight rating of 750 pounds and a max gross trailer weight rating of 7,500 pounds. However, the Curt in the middle has the highest gross tongue weight rating without weight distribution. Its max gross tongue weight rating is 750 pounds with or without weight distribution. Like the other two though, it still has a 5,000-pound max gross trailer rating without weight distribution and a 7,500-pound max gross trailer weight rating with weight distribution. The next biggest difference that we have is on our Draw-Tite hitch, we have a bracket that's welded onto the bottom of the hitch that we can attach any of our wiring harnesses that we need to, such as a 4-way flat or a 7-way RV connector. This is handy because it's one less bracket you need to worry about purchasing if you're going to be towing a trailer. The final difference that we have with our Draw-Tite hitch is there's an additional hole towards the rear of the receiver right here. We have what's called a Pin Stabilization device hole. What a Pin Stabilization device is it takes away some of that annoying shake, play, and rattle out of what's inserted into your receiver if your bike rack or your cargo carrier doesn't already have an anti-rattle device built into it. We have several Pin Stabilization device options available for you on our website. Now, in a brief summary, as far as appearance go, we find our Draw-Tite hitch here at the top and the Curt hitch here on the bottom with the square tubular construction being our best choices because they are the most hidden behind our fascia. As far as recreational use goes, the Curt here in the middle with the tubular design and the Draw-Tite hitch here at the top are our winners. The Draw-Tite, because it has the J-pin hole to take away some of that annoying shake, play, and rattle what's inside of the receiver, and the Curt because it has the higher tongue weight rating for use of a cargo carrier, for example. All right, as far as weight capacity goes, our tubular design Curt here in the middle, I'm going to give a slight advantage because it does have the 750-pound max gross tongue weight rating, whereas our other two is only 500. Now, as far as towing goes, I'm going to give our Draw-Tite hitch here the advantage because we have that extra bracket welded on to mount any of our required electrical connectors that our trailer may need. And that completes our look at the best trailer hitch options for the Jeep Grand.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.